So we are having a problem here with the Samsung Galaxy phone. I want to show you. If you look, you can see that the charger is in, the phone is on. The battery is not charging, right? And we recently replaced this port because when we charge, the battery will go down instead of up. Check the battery terminal area. We should get 5 volts, right? So this side is the negative and this side is the positive. We should get 5 volts, right? So this side is the negative and this side is the positive. So it doesn't really matter which side you put it, just mean it will show you like a negative reading. So as you can see, the meter is on and we are not getting anything from the battery. But if I show you, we are getting 5 volts on the motherboard right here. We are getting the 5 volts coming off of this cable, and this cable is coming from the screen, so the port is attached to the screen as well. We are getting the 5 volts here. We are not getting anything going to the battery at the moment. The phone won't charge because there's a motherboard issue. So I actually did the test and we are getting the 5 volts over by the battery terminal. Actually, what happened is that we just need to bridge that area. I use a tweezer and bridge the connection, and I tested and I got the 5 volts. So there's a short on this motherboard not charging the battery. We are going to move this antenna cable out of the way so that we don't damage anything. So we're just going to run a small piece of cable from here to here. We need to be careful because there are a lot of different small components across this area. It's quite small. And the other spot is right here. Then the next part is to get the cable on. I have this piece of green cable. So this is the next one we have to solder. The wire is a bit long, so I definitely will have to make a bend to get this to be properly aligned. The wire is bridged successfully, so we need to make sure that we use some flux to bridge this wire. So I just need to clean up the flux from the area. So we're gonna run back this wire here. Alright. So the ribbon is connected and you can see our little bridge wire there. So we are going to plug in the charger Then we are going to test the battery terminal. So as you can see there now, we are getting charge going to the battery, and we're going to charge the battery now.
Five hours later.
So guys, you can actually leave the wire in the back of the phone. This one is a A01. It will not show the phone is charging, but the phone is charging. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. If I turn the phone on, it will show that the percentage of the phone is turning on. This is definitely charging the battery. It is not showing that the battery is charging. You're not seeing any charging sign, you're not seeing anything. This is because we bypass the 5 volts from this ribbon here to the battery area. So definitely it is charging. We were definitely getting a lot of problems charging this phone. Sometimes the battery will charge up, the percentage goes up and then come down, right? And we change the charging port. So I just want to show you guys, right? You can see that it is 61%. We are going to leave this to charge off. I am going to leave this to charge off, and you will see the battery percentages going up. So definitely this is just a quick fix. We can do this method, but we will have to charge the phone off. We will have to be mindful of the charge time. In the time we should charge the phone as well. This is the only way we can get the phone charged, because there are some serious issues getting the battery charged because of some defective components that are not diverting the 5 volts to the battery terminal. So that's it. So guys, I am going to finish off the video, right? I'm going to plug out the charger. I am going to turn on, and actually the battery percentage should be above 61, 62. We actually gave it 30 minutes of charge. So just to show you that this is a way in which you can charge your phone. If you're realizing you're getting charging issue, this is indeed a motherboard issue, and we changed port. The port was actually slack and had some issues. So this method actually helped us in charging the device. So as you can see, the device is now at 89%. And just to let you know, if we hook up the phone, it will not give you any charging sign. We did a bypass, and as you can see, it went down 1%. So what we need to do, we need to charge this phone off. Just charge it off. It will not show any symbol or anything, but you need to know how long it takes to charge up to 100%, and then you charge it off. So I hope that this was helpful in some way. Do like, share, and subscribe.